Bringing your car to a local shop for service is not always cheaper or convenient. Whether you need brake repair, a new suspension, or a tune-up. At White Plains Honda, our certified service facility uses only genuine manufacturer parts and offers fair, competitive pricing. With free shuttle service to your home or office, Wi-Fi access, children's play area, and quality service staff. We don't want to make you a customer for a day. We want to make you a customer for life. Visit us at www.whiteplainshonda.com, where you can speak to an online representative to answer your questions now, schedule a service appointment, find out about our internet specials, and at a certified dealer, you get reliable service performed by highly trained technicians you can trust. Call, click, or come in for more information. White Plains Honda is located at 344 Central Avenue in White Plains, New York.